Are you someone who's thinking about using Ordinary's multi-peptide hair serum to improve your hair density? Well, I'm going to help you figure out what's actually in here, and I'm going to explain whether it really works to improve hair density, thickness, and fullness. And if you do decide to use this product, I'm going to walk you through how you can incorporate this into your daily routine. So this is what the Ordinary Hair Serum looks like. It's a 60 milliliter bottle that should last you a minimum of 3 months. Now, this product, when it was made, was never tested on animals, so it's cruelty-free. It's also vegan-free. It also has no alcohol in it, and that's important because alcohol can be irritating to the scalp. We've talked about that in terms of minoxidil topical, which sometimes is made with alcohol. So that's a very good thing when it comes to this serum. It's also not made with any harsh chemicals, and there's no silicones, no sulfates, and we know that there are potentially active ingredients in here that address hair thinning and hair loss, which we're going to explore together. So now let's explore the active ingredients, because if you're someone who happens to have androgenetic alopecia, or you're experiencing telogen effluvium, active hair shedding, you might actually benefit from using the Ordinary product. The first ingredient we're going to discuss is redenzel. Redenzel is naturally derived from a plant extract. It works by going down to the stem cells found in the hair bulge and telling the hair follicle, hey, I need you to go into the growth phase, the anagen phase. So that's very important. Next up is Kopexil. Kopexil is derived from a red clover extract as well as a biomimetic peptide. Now, the biomimetic peptide upregulates collagen production. That's important because it increases follicular size, and it also makes it much stronger for the hair follicle to anchor to the scalp. Additionally, the red clover extract acts as a natural DHT blocker. Now, DHT is dihydrotestosterone. It's a major contributor for hair loss. So if we can block the buildup of DHT, that is a big win. Additionally, Kopexil acts as an anti-inflammatory to the scalp. Then we have Procapil, and Procapil is derived from olive leaves. It also acts as a natural DHT blocker, and it also helps improve blood circulation to the scalp, which is important for bringing more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, which is important for hair growth. But the ingredients don't stop there. We also have Bicapil and Anagen. Both of these work in very similar ways. They're focused on getting the hair follicle to stay in the anagen growth phase longer. And they're also trying to get the hair that's in the dormant phase, the telogen phase, to reawaken and grow into the anagen phase. Now, finally, we have caffeine. And there's a lot of evidence that caffeine works by stimulating blood circulation to the scalp, which is important, as I emphasized earlier, to bring nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles. And there is some evidence to show that caffeine also acts as a potential DHT blocker. Now, when it comes to all of these ingredients within the Ordinary Hair Serum, there is evidence to demonstrate that each one of them has a different role to play. They do help improve hair density. They do help in terms of preventing hair loss, and there is evidence that they do help in terms of stimulating new hair growth. Now, when it comes to using any product, you have to be consistent if you want to see results. And you have to be patient. I don't expect that you're really going to see a benefit of using this serum until 3 to 4 months later. And that really applies for any hair loss medications. When it comes to hair loss medications, it requires persistency and it requires consistency. If you're thinking about using this serum, my recommendation is to apply it once a day. So you can apply it in the morning time or the evening time and keep it on. You don't have to wash it off. And when you do apply it, it's just a couple of drops. You rub it into your scalp. And remember, this is not a treatment for your hair. This is a treatment for your scalp. I hope that I was helpful and you have a better understanding of how you can incorporate the Ordinary Hair Serum into your routine. If you have any questions that I've not addressed, please leave them in the comments below. Please hit that subscribe button because we are trying to grow our community. And as always, I'm here on your journey to address all your hair care needs.